Hi, my name's James Smith with R4H Medical Transportation. I've been in the NEMT EMS industry for over 30 years. January 2021, I partnered with R4H Medical Transportation. Originally, R4H Medical Transportation was only in Pittsburgh, but now we cover the entire state of Pennsylvania as well as the states surrounding Pennsylvania with a fleet size of around 150. Since introducing the Traversa, we've had very good customer experience, both from the private pays as well as facilities that we currently contract with. It added an additional level of comfort for our clientele compared to the stretcher. Prior to the Broda device, the only options that our clients had were either the wheelchair transport or the stretcher van. Stretcher van catered to the needs of those bed confined or those who had to remain supine. With the Broda device, we're now able to offer them another mode of transport, sits a little bit higher off the ground in the vehicle, and just overall a more comfortable ride for the client that we're transporting. Since introducing the Broda, we've been very impressed with the safety enhancements and safety features they have to offer. WC19 compliance allows the Traversa to be secured tightly and safely in our NEMT vehicles. Plus, there's a 4-point safety securement harness that the Broda offers between securing the Broda device to the floor as well as securing the patient to the Broda itself. It's a very safe and secured ride for the client that we're transporting. Since the pandemic, most NEMT services, as well as other businesses, have experienced significant issues securing staffing. To this date, we're still having issues securing staffing, and where the stretcher requires 2 individuals to properly and safely transport a client, the Broda only requires 1. So introducing this has allowed us to meet the needs and the volume of our contractors, facilities, whatever it might be, even though we're suffering staffing shortages. With R4H, we like to cater to the individual's needs. We cater to any mode of transportation they need, whether it's ambulatory transportation, wheelchair transportation, Broda transportation, or stretcher van. Stretcher transportation in comparison to Broda is far more expensive. By adding the Broda device, we've been able to add an additional level of transport that's more affordable than that of stretcher, offering some of the same abilities that a stretcher does. Very low maintenance. We have them inspected routinely, but no issues. The stretchers, over the years, I've used stretchers for over 30 years. They do require a lot more maintenance regularly. Tires need replaced, bearings need replaced, batteries need replaced. But again, the Traversa, maintenance free, virtually none. I'm very happy with that. NEMT industry has evolved over the years. Across the United States, there's a lot of states that do not permit the use of stretcher van. Now, with the Broda device, NEMT companies across the country have the ability to offer another mode of transport similar to stretcher, where stretcher may not be allowed in their state. So I think it's been a great industry device, now somewhat standard to the industry. So very happy that we were introduced to the Broda years ago. This has been a tremendous asset to our business by adding this additional mode of transportation.